Hello everybody, this is Lance Goodthrust III with my review of GT Matte. It's a new sound absorption material I found while I was roaming around the internet. I also found they were giving away free samples. Usually this is what you think of as a free sample, but they actually sent me 10 square feet and the tool to apply it free of charge, and all they wanted in return was a review of it. Well, it's the middle of January. About 50 degrees out every day at about 70% humidity. Not very good weather to apply any adhesive material, but I can do some lab tests. This is a comparison test of the adhesive properties of both products. On the left is the Eastwood product, 100% rubber. You see it melted down, left a sticky mess. On the right is the GT Matte still up there. And this was on a very slick plastic coin box that I did no preparation for, but you can see GT Matte stuck and the Eastwood didn't. For my next test, I will be utilizing my mass density detector, which I just got back from JPL, where I had it calibrated in their zero gravity environment. So this will be the most precise measurements available on Earth. Here we have 10 square feet of GT Matte, and it weighs about 2 pounds. And the 5 square feet of Eastwood weighs a little bit over 3 pounds. Okay, that's it for the lab tests. Let's go out in the real world now and see if this stuff works. Here we are in my hometown of Anytown, USA. Just happens to have a sound meter at one end of town, along with the restaurant, and a loudspeaker at the other end of town near the quarry. Turn both on and see what happens. First, we're just going to measure it without any sound insulation. That's just the bass drone, the kind of noise you get from your car. And now we're going to do the same thing with the 50mm GT Matte covering up the speaker. And now the same noise with the 80mm GT Matte. And now the Eastwood product. So, no big surprises there. The heaviest, thickest material absorbed the most sound. I was surprised by how well the very thin, very light 50mm GT Matte did, but not as well as the 80mm. So I think this stuff would best be used in door panels and headliners, places where you don't want to add a lot of weight, and really not much road noise gets through in those areas. If you got a big V8 in your car or truck and you don't care about weight, Eastwood would be the best, if you can get it to stick. For me, my little 4-cylinder car, I'm trying to keep things as light as possible, so I'm going to be using the 80mm. At about half the weight, it is only slightly less effective at road noise reduction. Thank you, GT Matte, for the free sample. You got some pretty good products here. This is Lance Goodthrust signing off.